how much just got sent to us. $350. And our day hasn't even started yet. Now a few hours have passed, and once again, another payment of $350 has been sent to us. For hours on end, we just keep receiving money like nothing. Now, we're not surprised because we've been using today's method for a while now, so this is something usual to us. But we're sure it definitely comes as a great surprise to you guys, and you're just dying to know. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So the first thing we want you to do is to go on hiresin.com. This is the website where you can find different work from home opportunities that pay you a lot of money. As you can see, online jobs were never so easy to find, and choose a work that suits your skills. The registration is free, so you need not to worry about that either. Now you can see the different job opportunities offered on Hiresin. Typing jobs earn $4 to $6 per page. 2,000 words, online and offline typing assignments which you can execute on MS Word or any equivalent software. Proofreading jobs earn $5 to $10 per page, editing MS Word files and checking for spelling and grammatical errors. Paid survey jobs earn $5 to $50 per survey, and put your opinion about various products and services that you use and earn money online. Graphic designing jobs earn $15 to $40 per assignment, designing CorelDRAW and Photoshop graphics and exporting them to various file formats. PowerPoint presentation jobs earn $3 per PowerPoint slide, preparing PowerPoint slides and adding proper animation and sound effects. Spreadsheet entry job earn 2 cents to 4 cents per cell, preparation and modification of pivot tables in MS Excel format. Accuracy demanded voice recognition job earn $15 to $40 per assignment, conversion of medical prescription slips into textual and audio format. Online advertisement earn 5 cents per ad posted, advertising new global web portals with easy tool provided by Hiresin. It's pay per post sort of program, and language translation jobs earn $10 to $30 per page, 1,200 words, translation of various document formats from one language to another. For today's video, we are going to be focusing on proofreading jobs, which again is going to be paying you $5 to $10 per page, and all you have to do is edit MS Word files and check for spelling and grammar errors. Now, if you're suddenly worried about not knowing how to proofread or not having good English skills, well, don't worry, because you won't actually be needing any of that, since we are going to be showing you a trick that's going to help you loophole the entire tricky part of the process. Now, as you can see over here, we have a 2-page document that's going to have you proofread, and since it pays $10 per page, then this 2-page document that we currently have, we make $20 easily. You can actually do this over and over again, so it really doesn't matter. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Now, go ahead and click this link, and that should take you to over here, where you can apply to be an online proofreader. And don't be nervous or anything, because it's actually much easier than you think. Some reasons why we especially love this website as compared to other websites that offer the same opportunities is because it has competitive pay at $5 to $10 for each page, exceeding the US average hourly wage for proofreaders. It has flexible hours, so you're free from 5 to 9, and you can work when you want, right from your living room in any time zone. And you have great colleagues. There is a huge virtual work network, and you can connect with some of the world's top English proofreaders. Let's go ahead and start to sign up, since it is a bit tricky. So we really need you guys to pay close attention to this part especially. When you've clicked on the proofreading jobs link, you can scroll down and then you'll see this application procedure section that has the apply to be an online proofreader button, and you're going to want to click on that. Then you're going to be brought to this page right here, and we want you to scroll down till you see this. Then go ahead and just click on the link of step 2 right away. Then you'll be brought to another page, which is this page right here. Then scroll down again till you see this proceed to application section, and select on apply now. And then finally you're going to be brought to the page where you can proceed to apply for real. Now make sure you really stick it through, because this part of the application process is actually a part of the whole method and the whole process of applying. If you don't stick it through, then that just means you aren't fit for the job. Now you're going to go ahead and fill up all that's being asked, and once you've done that, hit on register. After that, in 24 hours, you should expect to be accepted and receive files for proofreading. And this is where our bonus trick comes in. That's basically going to be doing all of the work for you. You literally won't have to do anything yourself. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Now remember that file earlier? That is our sample file that we are going to work on, and we're going to get paid $20 as soon as we finish this job. At the most, you can do 10 of these an hour. So imagine 10 two-paged files in an hour. That's $200 easily. You have to expect that the file given to you will have a lot of errors and mistakes, because it is your job to correct them. And what we're going to use to correct all of those mistakes is Google Docs. And we're sure you guys know about this. So if your employer sends you an MS Word file, just open that MS Word file, copy what's in it, and paste it on Google Docs. And Google Docs is going to highlight all the types of mistakes that it can find in the document, and all of it will be highlighted. And to automatically correct those mistakes, all you need to do is click on those words, and the correction will pop up just above the word. And all you need to do is click on those corrections, and boom, it'll be automatically corrected. You just have to scan the document and watch out for those highlighted/underlined words and lines. And just like that, a job done easily for you, and $200 in no time. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.